certain look or style that you go for, no matter if it's your clothes, your outfit, your hair, your makeup. Some people like to be over the top or conservative. Even if people don't try, you have a certain look that you're going to go for. And today I'm going to talk to you about eyewear and how that has a part in your fashion and your everyday life and the choices that you make. And so I'm going to guide you in how to pick good frames and make them look good on you. At one point in your life, you're going to have to decide, no matter if it's sunwear or eyeglasses, if they look good on you. Hopefully, when you go to a place, they'll have pointers and help you out. But I'm going to give you a few tips so that you can go into a place and feel confident in what you choose and knowing your face shape, and you can pick something and not feel awkward wearing it or wondering if it looks good on you. And so, hopefully I give you a few key points that when you go somewhere and you purchase some things, you'll be able to look good in them. And there's 3 points to consider when choosing eyeglass frames from the Vision Council of America. Your eyewear should repeat your best personal features. So let's say you have blue eyes, you should have a blue frame that makes it look good. The second one is the frame should always contrast your face shape. So if you have a really round face, you don't want to put a round frame on the face. You want to make it square, have angles. The third one is the frame size should be in scale with your face size. So you don't want a really tiny face with a really big frame. All of this seems common sense, but there's a lot of people that don't know this or they have no idea. So the first shape that we're going to talk about is oval. And as you can see, she has a very oval face. On oval, everything is very proportioned from horizontal to vertical. People that have an oval face are very lucky. They can wear just about everything. So a frame that I would put on an oval face is more a little bit square. They can wear just about everything, but it's shaped like this. Something that you want to stay away from is just something that will contrast with the face's natural lines, so you don't want to do that. A round face shape. Obviously you can tell it's very round. The forehead line and the chin, very round. When you pick out frames for a round face shape, you want to go square. You want to make sure that you have some angles in there. You're going to add shape to the face. You never want to put a round shape frame on a round face. It's going to make it look very round and not good. And we'll go to square. So your forehead and jawline are almost about the same width, and the sides of the face are going to be very angular, kind of very dominant. And you're going to make sure that you put something a little bit more round on it with soft curves. You can do a cat eye, something like that. Make sure you don't put square on it, so I would never want to put this on a square person. It's just going to make like their jawline stand out even more. A diamond face shape. Very, not as common. It's going to be narrow at the forehead and chin and wide at the cheekbones. Obviously makes sort of a diamond. And so you're going to put an oval or round on that face shape, something like this. And all of this applies to sunwear too. Obviously most of us probably wear sunglasses more than glasses right now, but as you get older it's probably inevitable that everybody will have to wear glasses at some point. So you can apply these rules to when you go to pick out your sunwear also. A heart-shaped face, almost like an inverted triangle. And it's wide at the forehead and prominent at the cheekbones. They're going to have a narrow chin and a jawline. You're going to want to put a frame on it that has low temples and upsweeping lines. You don't want to draw a lot of attention downwards. So a frame like this would be good in a different shape. Another good thing to consider when you are picking out your eyewear is your skin tones. Everybody has a little bit different skin color. You don't want to pick out a frame that has a color that's totally going to contrast with your skin. Most people are blue tones. According to allaboutvision.com, in the United States, blue-based complexions are more common than yellow-based, warm complexions. About 60% of the population is cool tones. So for the cool tones, that's a blue or pink undertones. You want to make sure you're in a black, brown, blue-gray, plum, pink, blue, like a darker tortoise frame. And if you're going to go for the warm complexions, which is like a yellow, you're going to have like a caramel, a khaki, a gold, a copper, a peach, an orange, a red, more along those lines. Just remember that everybody has a certain face shape, and when you go on try-on frames, there's going to be certain ones that look good and certain ones that don't. So when you go to an optical shop, you should have a technician that will help you and guide you through that process. I've been working in an optical shop for about 6 years, so they train you on how to look for face shapes and know what to put them in. So someone should guide you, but if you're going to go out and buy sunglasses or glasses on your own, hopefully give you a few pointers in being able to purchase your eyewear.